Now, from your Weather Authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Well, scattered showers are finally back, and they're here to stay, at least in a scattered fashion, for the next 7 days, but they will be hit or miss. That was certainly the story yesterday and today, with some areas getting a lot of rain, others not so much. And with a thicker cloud cover in our eastern counties, it was significantly cooler there. Highs only in the upper 70s, but as you headed west of Highway 41, temperatures were topping out between 80 and 85, and a similar scenario is going to be setting up for tomorrow as we continue to be on the edge of this area of low pressure, which is spinning over south central Kentucky. Lots of false returns around the radar site. We always see that this time of the night. I'll filter some of that out and show you what is the real deal, and that's a little bit of rain now coming into the eastern fringe of the tri-state out of Grayson County in Kentucky, just getting into far eastern Ohio County. And if this holds together, everything is moving from northeast to southwest. It's going to go across eastern Ohio and maybe down into southeastern Muhlenberg County. Nothing all that significant, but a little bit more rain on the way for the overnight hours. But these are the estimated rainfall amounts since the showers began yesterday afternoon. Clearly the heaviest in our southeastern counties, where you see these shades of green. That's an indication of 1 inch or more, at least estimated. The yellow, 2 inches. Southeastern Perry County, and then you got a good inch of rain across much of Hancock, Ohio County, western Muhlenberg, and then southern Hopkins County. Where you don't see any blue, that's less than 1/10 of an inch of rain. And unfortunately, that was the case across at least portions of Evansville, especially the northwest side. The airport only had 3 1/100s. Downtown, about maybe 2/10 of an inch of rain. Similar amounts for Henderson and Newburgh, but look at Owensboro, an inch or more there on the south and west sides. The jackpot down in southern Hopkins County in the community of Hamby, our system estimating over 3 inches of rain right along U.S. Highway 62. Here is the sky today. It was a beautiful sky here in the Evansville area because we didn't see much in the way of rain. Had a fair amount of sun mixing with those clouds, and those clouds began to clear out around sunset. Beautiful rainbows. Got some of those posted on my Facebook page if you want to check those out. And right now we've got a temperature of 73. The dew point did get into that muggy range today, only the second time this month, so it was feeling a little bit more like summer. With temperatures now in the low 70s, a higher humidity means it doesn't cool off as much at night, so we're just going to drop into the upper 60s by daybreak tomorrow morning. Upper level low is spinning right there. South central Kentucky is just going to kind of drift around this area for the rest of the week, probably pulling away a little bit more tomorrow. That's why rain chances will go down a bit, then they go up again for the end of the week. But for the most part, we're still right on the edge of this system. So higher or additional amounts will likely be south and east of Evansville. So Future Tracker shows a few spotty showers overnight, then more redeveloping tomorrow, especially in our southeastern counties. Otherwise, a mix of sun and clouds. It'll be breezy and humid for one more day. Highs generally in the mid to upper 80s, but there could be a few areas right around 80 in our southeastern counties. That activity fades away tomorrow night. We see more developing on Wednesday, maybe not quite as much as we see on Tuesday. And then the latest data indicating a cloudier day for Thursday and increasing rain chances. You can see it here by early Thursday afternoon, a wave coming in from the east, and that should increase at least a good deal of scattered rain across the area on Thursday afternoon. So spotty showers overnight, more in our southeastern counties, upper 60s. Mix of sun and clouds tomorrow. We'll look at scattered showers and a few thunder showers developing, especially southeast of Evansville. A breezy, humid day, generally in the low to mid 80s, a little cooler to the southeast, warmer up to the northwest. Rain chances go down a little bit on Wednesday. They spike back up to 55% on Thursday, 45% on Friday, and then the weekend they go down a bit more, high up to 89 Saturday, and on Sunday it looks like our first hot and humid day. We had 4 days in the 90s to start the month, but it wasn't all that humid. But on Sunday, 91 degrees and humid, making it feel very much like summer.
All right, thank you, Wayne.